In a world where everyone talk, the one who listen win. Silence is not the emptiness. It is control. Because when you are silent, you observe more, you learn faster, and you avoid unnecessary drama. The loud people seek attention, and the wise people seek understanding. The Stoic taught us, only speak if it improves upon the silence. Before you talk, ask yourself, is it necessary? Is it true? Don't rush to prove a point. Let your action speak for you, and let your silence protect your energy, because sometimes saying nothing is the strongest message. So therefore, master your silence and you will master life. So if this help you, help me grow by subscribing. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, and God bless you.